Hey guys, back with another video here, and I decided to create this Hog Furnace Empress deck with a freeze, because these two are fucking broken. Might as well just try and see how it works in a Hog deck like this. A middle ladder creation. This is a little bit of a different setup here. I'm actually outside in a fucking park. Don't ask me. I just don't want anyone to. Oh yeah, go Hog here because Bro's not gonna give me a break. Boss Bandit. I don't really have any that good responses. So he's gonna pop Billy like they always do. Wow. First time in history a Boss Bandit player didn't activate it 5,000 times. I guess that's only like really bad Boss Bandit players. It's like Goblin Sign release, how everyone would just spam me at the bridge playing it. What was that Inferno Tower? Like, okay, I mean, why not, man? Play something on it. Nope. Like that was such a horrific. That was such a horrific eye tower. Like, it's not like he had a reason. Like, cycling it for an Evo because obviously they don't have a eye tower doesn't have an Evo yet. I think I'm. Well, I mean, I kind of like this deck. I don't know how Evo Cannon, Evo, you know, Furnace does together. I guess that's still something people are figuring out. But the thing is, I think the card that at least is like makes least sense is Empress because I don't know how much I'd use Empress. I guess maybe against air matchups. I guess I'd use it a lot more. But he plays Eye Tower. Oh yeah, you notice I'm actually up a league now because I decided to push like a couple games like yesterday. I could have pushed way more, but I kind of only like when I play when I record now. I mean, okay, I guess I'm gonna ignore that Goblin game. I'm gonna Empress actually. That was a terrible poison. In all honesty, like it doesn't even kill my furnace. And wait, does this reach? I don't know my oh wait, now it does, but that was a terrible like sequence for him. I'm just good at arrows because I mean, like he can't do anything at this point. Like all I could do is just cannon. Like I guess I mean this deck is a lot better than my decks I've been fucking playing as a leader because they made like absolute zero sense. At least this sort of makes sense. I guess with Empress and like Furnace because how broken they are. But let's just go into the next game. Oh wait, how did I get into? Oh, I guess we're playing ladder. Trophy Road now. Okay, I don't even know how. Didn't I just play? Didn't I press play again? I was on Path of Legends. So I guess I'm at 10k, which actually might means this test his actual deck's ability, I guess. Because like, I mean, like League 7, like League 4, I mean League 4 now because they changed it. Like, he's gonna protect that princess. Okay, I just got so caught off guard with that. But I guess I could. Oh my god, I forgot to. Just a classic. I keep forgetting to turn that off because I always just forget it exists. He's gonna princess probably at a bridge because they always do. I'm just hovering on. Yep. Like, come on. He was just waiting till like 10 to play it, I guess. So, I guess I was like down a couple. I'm not really trying to count elixir here. I'm outside. I'm not really in there. It's also like not serious because, I mean, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Oh, of course. I played against Bait Eye-Tower 2 times in a row. That's crazy. He's gonna try and barrel. Yep. That is crazy. I thought I played. I didn't. I gotta check that. I'm actually losing my mind over this. I guess I'll just Evo Cat. Oh wait, that was actually a really good Evo Cannon on my part. Wait, hold on, hold on. He's gonna. I thought he was gonna Princess. Playing outside is a really weird feeling. Not gonna lie. I don't know the matchup here. I'm gonna predict a Skarmy or something. I mean, that was worth a try, I guess. Oh, that was no, he's low, he's low. I'm gonna try. There's no way. Oh yeah, that fucking thing. I always forget because no one plays Skarmy, but this guy does. Okay, well, who do you think you are, bro? Wait, he's gonna. Yep. This is. I don't know the matchup on this. It's like cool, I guess. Maybe if I'm like more locked in. Oh wait. Hold on. I'm actually going somewhere with this hog. Wait. He might have enough for. I can't. Oh wait. No way. Ah. Wow. Okay. I don't know what I was saying. That was just a really weird sequence. But I'm pretty sure. Like, app just fucking closes. Fucking nice. Apparently. What's going on with Clash Royale as of late? It's just being retarded. I guess we'll go in another Pathologic game. Because I guess it does decent against Bait, but I don't know about that because they're not really that good. They weren't. The two Bait players I faced weren't exactly the best Bait players. Oh. Oh, yay. Is this Splash Yard or some shit? The thing about Graveyard is they always run the most broken combos, like, you know, not broken combos, the most broken cards. That's the thing about, because this card, yeah, it just doesn't die, apparently. Like, they can do every, like, misplay in the book, and they can still get away with it. Because just how the, just, unless they're playing against 3 points, they actually have to play, like, you know, smart. At least the OG Splash Yard. He's got a Graveyard. Ah. I kind of wish I was playing 3.0, even though it's probably not that good of a matchup anymore. Because, yeah. I don't know how I'm going to break through this matchup. Like, I don't really have that good responses to Graveyard. He has pretty much the best responses to me. Like, because, you know, why wouldn't he? I'm playing against... I can't believe I'm playing against this type of Graveyard deck at League 4. So, I already know this person, like, not even that good with the deck. But I'm also playing a deck I'm not good with either, so... I guess I kind of have to, like, bear the cross, I guess. I guess the only way I can win this matchup is in single, and it's... I guess there's no tornado, so... do something like that. I guess they don't use Evo Witch anymore, because, you know, it's not the most broken Evo now. Wait, Hog? If I was EN77, that would have probably been my hit right there. Yeah, look how broken this is. That's crazy. No. Don't play so... I guess it kind of doesn't matter how predictable you play with this deck. Oh, that was meant to be a knight. Oops. Yeah, this is kind of like... Yeah, I think this is definitely a hard counter for him. There's no way I can... In no world should I ever win this matchup. But, I guess you never say never, I guess. Arrows? Oh. Hold on. He kind of... I don't know. Like, I feel like he didn't... I'm not surprised he's back to that, but... I didn't feel like he was back to it. I didn't know my free spell also froze my Hog Rider. Because it felt like he wasn't doing anything. Alright. Yeah, this is getting even more hopeless by the... more and more as the game goes on. Because, like... Yeah, like... Look, like, come on! Like, this is how you... This... I thought I didn't have to face any of these types of decks yet. No. League 4. Yeah, I'm just gonna give up here. Like, there's no point. Like... I had no archers, no Mother Witch poison. I had arrows. I guess I'm gonna play this like last game. Okay, why is it doing that? It's always going to Trophy Road. While I'm that is actually, I don't know why that's every new update. There's like there's these dumb glitches like that. These dumb bugs. All right, wall breakers. All right, guys. Oh. I wonder what he's playing. Please be recruits. Like, I think I have a decent matchup against recruits here. Like, unironically have a good matchup against recruits. But I think it's just regular log bait. I've been playing so much bait today. And then like, 3 out of my 4 games were bait and Graver. Like, I don't know. I don't know if bait's good. I haven't been really too locked in on the meta yet. I guess the meta doesn't really matter down here, so. But I guess it's popular enough down here because I never really faced bait early season like this. Oh my! I didn't know that actually reached. That's crazy. He's gonna try and like Evo wall breakers. Okay, I just wanted to see how... I forgot the interactions here. Arrows, yeah, that's... He's gonna probably Princess again. I feel like he's like one off, right? I've not been really counting cycle that much. Yeah. He doesn't have anything for Hog except like Rascals, but I'm just gonna... Okay, this is actually a joke. Eye Tower again? Why is everyone playing Eye Tower all of a sudden? Is that like a really good like Empress counter? Wait, that's... Yeah, like... Alright, one hog shot, but is it really worth it? Like, look how much I'm down. Oh, wow. Alright, Furnace. I really wish it was recruit. Wait, it's not back to. Wait, he might be back to Eye Tower. Yeah, he's back to Eye Tower now, definitely, with that. Keep cycling Furnaces. Come on. Come on, keep cycling Furnaces. Oh! He's failing to protect his princess. He's failing to protect the princess. W. Wait, he can't hog. I mean, I can't Eye Tower. Wait. Did I make all my... I made him give up. I guess bait's a really good matchup for this deck. Against, like, bad bait players. You know, probably Riley winning this. I guess I'll end the video here. How do I rate this deck I created? It's actually a pretty good deck, but I don't know if it's because it's like Empress and Furnace being really broken, or if it actually makes like some form of sense. Like, I mean, I guess Hog and Freeze go together. Furnace and Empress go together. And then Knight, because mini tank. This deck really struggled against air, so I really wanted to wish. I really wanted to face Lava Hound, see how it goes against that. Probably I would lose, but I'm gonna end the video here.